Great Bear is a B&M invert located at Hersheypark in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Great Bear, as of May 2021, is my #1 favorite roller coaster, and that is for many reasons, but let's get right into the review. First, let's take a look at the stats. Great Bear has a height of 90 feet, a drop of 124 feet, a max speed of 58 miles an hour, has 4 inversions, and a total length of 2,800 feet of track. Overall, the stats aren't that impressive, but don't let that bring down your expectations of the ride because Great Bear is a really unique inverted roller coaster. First, you start off the ride by climbing up the 90-foot tall lift hill. After this, you go straight into a helix instead of a drop. This is my second favorite part of the ride because this gives you a nice view of the surrounding area and the park. There's also a cool foot chopper effect with the surrounding trees. After the helix, you dive into the ride's first 124-foot drop into the first inversion, a vertical loop. This is my favorite part of the ride as the loop provides great positive Gs. The next element on the ride is an Immelman, and then following that is a 0G roll. This 0G roll is really whippy and I enjoyed it a lot. After this, you take a dip down to the left and glide over Spring Creek. This gives you a nice break before heading into the final inversion, a corkscrew. This was the most intense part of the ride for me. Like the 0G roll, it is very whippy and happens so fast. After the corkscrew, you do a little S-spin into the brake run. Overall, this roller coaster does have the full package. Let's talk about the ride setting. This ride is in a very beautiful spot, sprawling over the hollow section of the park. The ride station is located in Kissing Tower Hill, but most of the ride is located in the hollow section of the park. I also like the white supports with the black track and the pink, purple, and yellow trains to go along with it. I give this ride a 10 out of 10. This ride exceeded my expectations and I can't wait to ride this roller coaster again. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, and if you like what I post, subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you all later.